So this is the Samsung Galaxy A30, a phone for those who are constantly on the go. The unboxing is a nice experience with the phone's information on the sleeve that slides right off. First up, you get a housing with the information booklet and warranty information. There's also a nice silicone case included, which we'll put off to the right for now. Getting back into the box, we find the phone, which is a bit hard to pry out. It's in a white sheen that has a nice look to it and sort of reminds me of the flagship phones we got a few years ago. It comes with a rear fingerprint scanner as well as face unlock technology, and the provided case also does a good job with fitting, and it's something I throw on for daily protection. As we set up the phone, let's talk about its specifications. You have an Exynos 7904 hexa-core chip in there, clocked at 1.8 GHz alongside up to 4 GB of RAM, which runs Android 9.0 Pie and Samsung's One UI 1.1. The phone does support microSD expansion up to 512 GB or dual SIM functionality with its hybrid tray. The 4000 mAh battery in such a compact form factor is also pretty impressive, and as for optics, we have a 16 megapixel front selfie snapper along with a dual primary 16 megapixel and 5 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. With the phone just about set up, let's also address the Super AMOLED 6.4 inch 1080p Infinity U display, which is protected by Gorilla Glass 3 and from this initial look gets extremely vibrant and will help with immersion when watching content. Now back to the box for the rest of the accessories. We've got a standard pair of 3.5mm headphones with no adjustable rubber tip, a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging the phone, although it's not very generous in length, a fast charging brick, and a SIM tool. So that about wraps up the unboxing, but do let us know what you'd like to see with the Samsung Galaxy A30, maybe comparing it with other smartphones in its price bracket or a full-fledged review. Leave your thoughts in the comments down below. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like and subscribe. This was Vaibhav and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.